In today's video, we will going to tackle about the RFID. Another way of capturing information from things is through the use of RFID or radio frequency identification. RFID is not a sensor but a mechanism to capture information pre-embedded into the so-called tag of a thing or an object using radio waves.
So what is RFID? So RFID is a radio frequency identification, uses electromagnetic field to automatically identify and track tags attached to object. An RFID system consists of a tiny radio transponder, a radio receiver, and a transmitter. RFID consists of two parts, a tag and a reader. Tags has two parts, a microchip that stores and processes information, and an antenna to receive and transmit the signal. The tags contains the specific serial number for one specific object. The reader reads the information encoded on the tag, using a two-way radio transmitter receiver by emitting a signal to the tag using an antenna. The tag responds with the information written in the memory. The reader will then transmit the read result to an RFID computer program. So RFID-based solution has some advantages over older reader tag-based solution such as barcode, including the RFID tag does not need to be within direct line of a sight of a reader and can be read from a distance up to 12 meters for passive ultra-high frequency system. Battery-powered tags typically have a reading range of 100 meters. RFID data on the tag can be modified based on the business needs. The barcode data is very difficult to change once deployed. Next is RFID tags are durable. Barcodes in a comparison are printed on a product for everyone to see. One of the advantages also is RFID data may be encrypted on the tag, thereby preventing unauthorized users from changing the data of counterfeiting. RFID systems can read hundreds of tags simultaneously. This is significant in retail store as it saves the staff valuable time that they can spend on a higher value task. Like any other technologies, RFID has a number of disadvantages, but they are relatively minor. A top disadvantage is the susceptibility of the tags to jamming by blocking the RFID radio waves. For instance, by wrapping the tag with a metallic material such as alumni foil, metallic ink on the book covers can also affect the transmission of the radio waves. The next part is the RFID main components. So the RFID main components has a programmable RFID tag for storing data, a reader with an antenna to read the tag, and lastly is the application software hosted on a computer to analyze the data. Next part is the RFID main usage and application. RFID is already used by a large number of applications. Top examples includes is the access control and management. Many companies and government agencies are using RFID tags in identification badges, replacing earlier magnetic stripe cards. With RFID, employees as well as unauthorized guests may be greeted by their name on a screen or by voice message upon entering a building. So, it is also used in the passport. Many departments of a state around the world, like United States, Canada, Norway, Malaysia, Japan, and many EU countries are using RFID password that can be read from a reader located up to 10 meters away. In this case, passports are designed with an electronic tag that contains main information with a digital pictures of the passport holder. Next usage is for healthcare. With 2014 veteran complaints including allegations that 40 veterans may have died waiting for care at the Phoenix VA hospital. Many hospitals or agencies, including the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, have already started or announced plans to deploy RFID in hospitals across the United States to improve health care. The main usage and application also used in logistic and supply chain tracking, athletic and sport event timing, and animal tracking. Other applications, RFID is also used for aircraft baggaging tracking, logistic, interactive marketing, laundry management for employees with a huge number of a uniform, for example, the casinos, item level inventory tracking, conference attendee tracking, material management, IT assist management, library system, and the real-time location system. Therefore, RFID offers several benefits, a good many of which you can realize today to a substantial degree with existing products. That could be all. Thank you.